So-called country singers singing songs they know nothing about. Swimming pools and fancy cars, dating them big-time movie stars. Well, that don't sound like country to me. Well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it ain't Johnny Merle or Hank or Waylon Jennings, yeah, if it ain't got that honky-tonk heart like George Jones had from the start, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, my grandpa said